Alright, so basically, I just want to say that um this is a new account, new Discord account I'm using because my other one got disabled. I don't really know why, to be honest. You know, I'm a really nice dude. Like, I don't know why they would disable it, but it's whatever, dude. Um, and also, um, this is obviously a new channel because I forgot the password to my other channel, and I didn't have a recovery email or fucking phone number attached to it. So, um, that sucks. But hopefully, I don't forget this password. I actually put a recovery email on this one, so I'll be alright. But, yeah. Enjoy the video. Guys, look at this shit, dude. Let me post a screenshot. Look at all these fucking people, dude. Dude, I have kids all of a sudden, dude. Who the fuck is... Holy fucking shit, dude. It's over for me, dude. At this rate, dude, I only have 50 fucking subs, dude. At this rate, dude, I'll have a fucking army by 1K, dude. Oh, hell no! How the fuck did you get in here? No. Let me get up out of here.
Hey, Dad.
I don't know you people.
Dad, I remember you called me your daughter. I remember that. You only said it to me and Ashley. I don't know who the rest of these people are. I swear to God. I do not know who these people are.
Get the fuck out of my room, bitch.
Bro, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. You're not our real mom. Our real mom is
bitch, yes the fuck I am.
Okay, hold on. We're going to get Sally right now. But get Sally. Sally's our real mom. You're not our real mom.
Well, Richard's with me now, so I'm his adopted mom.
I don't even know you people, dude.
You're an adopted mom. You sound
Richard.
Holy shit, dude. Please help me. Somebody please fucking help me, dude. Before they come in here, dude. Please help me, dude.
You're right. You're on your own, bro.
Are you fucking kidding me, dude? After all I've fucking done for you guys? You're gonna really just leave me out here to fucking die like that, dude?
No, because they're gonna follow you.
They're not gonna come in here. They're not gonna come in
here. You need
here.
to handle your baby mama John around.
They're not gonna come in here. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe.
You know one of them have BC perms.
Yeah, well, they're not using them, so. No, dude. There's already so many clones for me right now. Let me see what they're up to.
You're so annoying. Sup, pussy. Sup, pussy. Hey, Richard. Hi, Richard. Richard Dickerson out of character? Did Richard Dickerson break character? It sounds poor. Hi, Richard.
Help me, please. Help me, help me, help me.
Ew, what in the SpongeBob? Please delete our accounts.
Dude, I'm being harassed.
She's a fraud. She's not even in our family.
What fucking family, dude?
We made a group chat. Dude, what are you talking about? You didn't know who I am?
I thought I was supposed to sound white.
No.
I thought I was supposed to
DM.
No, dude, I don't know you, dude.
You do. You don't know me.
No, get the fuck out.
I'm your daughter. I'm your daughter.
Oh man.
I'm your fucking daughter, dude. You playing like you.
You didn't say that. Oh my god.
Bro. Yo, hold on.
Richard, I need you right there.
Also,
Richard, I made you break character, bro. You broke character.
what are you talking about, it? Okay, okay, I see you. Okay, Clazo, okay.
You know what? I'm gonna just lay down.
Alright, I think I lost them.
Get the fuck out.
You fucking kidding me?
I'm so fucking serious, dude.
They don't know I'm in here. They don't know I'm in here. She can't see me.
You better fucking not.
She
I'll
can't
slow down
fucking
and
see
beat
me.
your ass if you do.
Dude, they can't.
Dude, shut up.
You shut up, bitch.
Dude, that's disgusting.
You know what? Don't make me get my fucking fake clones on you.
Richard, get out. I'm cheating on you right now. Get out. Uh-oh. I think
You know what? You know what? You think you thought you were gonna fucking get me, huh? You thought you were gonna fucking get me. Now I'm about to get the pack. How's your day today? How's your day today? How's your day today? How's your
She's trying to rape me, bro. She's trying to.
I got you, dude. I got you. Now I'm about to get the back. How's your day today? How's your day?
Kill my family, you better fuck me in the ass.
How's your day today? 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 How's your day? How's your day today? How's your day today? How's your day today? How's your day today?
Shut your sexy ass up, Jason. Shut up.
Dude, come on, dude. I'll save you, dude.
Richard.
Alright, we should be safe over here. Alright, we should be good in here.
Did you want me to phone, bro? I'm trying to talk to my fam.
Oh, I thought you
You trying to fucking cut road.
I thought you wanted me to move you, dude.
Nigga.
You just said she was
That's a
trying.
joke, bitch.
Yo, bitch, get the fuck out.
Daddy, hey, daddy.
I don't know you, dude.
Richard, remember the girl that dated your son?
I'm out of here.
Yeah.